Good afternoon once again. Good afternoon. Yes, keep your cameras on, students. Let me see whether you are having food or you are sleeping or you are studying. Let me check out. Keep your cameras on. Be wonderful, students. Are you a good student? Then good student, keep cameras on to show the teacher how they are, how studious they are. So let's see, previous class we have seen the poem that is everything, everyday things. Whatever we do in a day, same is done by rest all people in the world, right? Whether you are a millionaire, whether you are a poor, whether you are a king, whether you are an average person, whether you are a beggar, or whether anybody has the same routine, only the things will differ, or the according to their status in the society it will change little, but everything will be same, activities will be same, routine will be like daily routine, daily life will be the same. What some people, though they are millionaires, they have even dal chawal or rice and dal in their lunch, okay, wheat roti, chapati, okay. So same thing will be eaten by the average person or the regular, those who are middle class members, or those, even if it is consumed by the beggars, same food is consumed. Same way we use regular brush for teeth, okay, for brushing, comb for combing the hair. So the things will be the same for everyone in the society. Your status doesn't matter, your status doesn't matter. So this we have learned in this poem, everyday things. Who has written this poem? This poem has written by Jean Eyre. So who is the poet? Jean Eyre. Jean Eyre is a poet. Jean Eyre is a poet of this poem. Okay, keep on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, students. Turn on your cameras. Bhavani, I want to ask you something. Turn on your camera. Are you able to hear me clearly? Show thumbs up if you can hear me properly. Show thumbs up, turn on your camera and show thumbs up. Yes, everyone. Show thumbs up. Yeah, okay, good. Very nice. So, yeah, we can't on camera. Okay, I have allowed you, children. I have allowed you to turn on the camera. I have permitted you. You can turn on your cameras now. No problem. Yeah. So what we have seen, I will repeat once again. What we have seen in this poem. This poem is written by the poet Jean Eyre. What is everyday things? What are everyday things that are mentioned in the poem? What poet wants to say here in this poem? That whether a millionaire, president, or even kings cannot escape themselves from their routine. Whatever they have to follow, or we regular have, same they do it. Once again I will read it to make you better understand, and I had given you homework to complete the exercise. Let's answer 2 questions I had sent in the teachment. I hope you have completed yet. If you haven't completed it, so you can complete it today, okay? And the practice page number 12, we will be doing it today in the class after the poem. Let's start. We will recapitulate, we will revise the poem once again in few minutes, okay? Everyday things. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you president, king, or millionaire, you would use a comb to comb your hair. If you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope, you would take a bath with water and soap. If you want to get clean yourself, you will use water and soap, whether you are a millionaire, president or a king. And you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat bread and vegetables, fish and meat. The food will remain same for all the people in the society. While your drink for breakfast would probably be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea, you would have to wear. You could hardly refuse. You cannot refuse. If you want to wear something, then you cannot refuse your underclothes, outer clothes, stocking and shoes. So if you want to wear something, then everyone has to wear underclothes, outer clothes, stocking and shoes. Stocking means socks. Stockings means socks. If you wish to make a reminding note, you would take a pencil out of your coat. So if you want to make a reminding note, okay, if you want to write something, if you want to write a note, what you will take out? You will take out a pen, whether you are a millionaire, president or a king. And you couldn't sign later, I think, with anything better than pen or ink. We cannot sign without pen or ink. So for signing, everyone requires pen and ink. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. If you want to read something, you have to, everyone has to go for the newspaper, magazine or a book. And if it happened that you were ill, if it happened that you are ill, you are not well, you put down some oil and choke on a pill. What you have to take? You have to take a pill, medicine, P-I-L-L. Pill means medicine, tablet. If you had a cold, and I can only suppose, you would use a handkerchief for your nose. If you are sneezing, if you have a cold, what you will use for to clean the nose? You will use a handkerchief. So everyone will be using handkerchief, whether you are a millionaire, king or a regular person, middle person or president. When you wanted to rest your weary head, weary means tired. When your head is tired and when you want to rest, what you will do? When you wanted to rest your weary head, your tired head, if you want to give a rest, like other folks, you would hop into bed. Like other folks, other people, you will jump into the bed. Hop. Hop means jumping. Hopping means jumping. What you will do? If when you want to rest your weary head, that time you will jump into your bed. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Even millionaire, president, kings cannot be escaped from this everyday routine, everyday things. Okay, this way I have completed the poem reading, which is written by Jean Eyre. What is the poem name? Everyday Things. We have seen the exercise, textbook exercise, page number 11 yesterday. What is that? Make sentences with. There are two words, choke and weary. Meanings I had told you in the previous class. Choke means to get block. Choke means to get block. And weary means tired. With the help of these two words, we have to form a sentence. I had given the sentence. If you have not noted down, if you have not understood it, once again I will say the sentence in the class now. Choke. How you can make a sentence with choke? I will write it on the board. Page number 11. Page number 11. Yet those who had not completed, you have to complete it. First word, choke. C-H-O-K-E. How you can make a sentence? See here. If you do not eat, if you do not eat carefully, if you do not eat carefully, you may choke on your food. Second word. Second word, weary. Weary. How you can make a sentence? The old man, the old man had become weary of his boring job. What does it mean here? I'll tell you. See, there are two sentences made with the help of two words. First is choke. Choke means getting blocked. Okay. If you do not eat carefully, you may choke on your food. Weary, the old man had become weary of his boring job. So doing the job, same job for so many years, he has got tired. He has got tired. This means to say, okay. So this way, write the sentence in the textbook. Let's answer questions. Answers I have provided in the Teachment app. Okay, go through the Teachment app. There I have provided you answers for the two questions given in the textbook. What is the first question? See. What message is the poet wanting to give through the poem? What the poet wants to give the message from this poem? And second, in what way are presidents, kings and millionaires different from ordinary people? How they are different from the ordinary people? That way, that question's answers you have to write in the notebook. Or you can write it in the given space also in the textbook, okay? But I request you, you are supposed to write question answers in the notebook itself, okay? Such question answers, objective type question answers, you can do it in the textbook, okay? Answer the following questions you write in the notebook, alright? I'll message that in the Teachment app if you are unable to hear clearly. Always write answer the following questions in the notebook. Open page number 12 now, everyone. I'll erase the board. If you have not done it, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot, everybody. If you haven't completed, if you are writing slow, take a screenshot. Alright. Now, let's go for the next. Page number 12. Page number 12. Which part is there of exercise now? Let's see. Page number 12. Open everyone page number 12. Again some children have put on off their cameras. Put on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, everybody. See, practice. What do we have to practice? We have to practice singular and plural forms of nouns. In this question, rewrite each these sentences in the plural form. In the sentence it is given singular, we have to convert the nouns into plural form. My teacher gave me permission to leave. I will not be writing questions here because if I will write question and answer both, the board will not be sufficient for all 5. Okay, so I will write only answers. I will read the question and I will write the answer on the board. ANS means answer, short form of answer. My teacher gave me permission to leave. My singular, my means singular. We are speaking about ourselves, singular my. My will convert it into R. Okay, R. When you are speaking about yourself, you will say my. When you are speaking about many, you will say R. Teacher, plural of teacher, teachers. Very good. Teachers. Our teachers gave me permission to leave. As it is, it will come. Gave me permission to leave. leave. To leave means go. Okay, to leave. Leave the place. Okay, छोड़ना. Next, 2 number. One brave policeman. One, plural of one. What you will say? Many. One will convert it into many. Many brave policeman. Policeman will convert it into plural form of policeman. What is plural form of policeman? Policemen. Many brave policemen are controlling. Is controlling. Are controlling. Is will convert it into are. Is will convert into are. Is used for the singular. Are is used for the plural. Here policemen are there. So we are using are. Are controlling as it is remaining. Controlling the unruly traffic. The unruly traffic. Okay. See, many brave policemen are controlling the unruly traffic. What is singular? One. At the place of one, we have to write many. Brave will remain as it is. Policeman, policemen. Okay. Are. At the place of is, we have to write are controlling the unruly traffic. Rest all as it is. Next. I picked up my bedroom furniture. Here what will come? At the place of I, we can write in the plural form. We, many. Okay? At the place of I, we picked up my bedroom furniture. Here what will come? At the place of my, our bedroom furniture. Our bedroom furniture remains as furniture only. Okay? Furniture. We cannot write furniture as furnitures in the plural form. In the singular also, we should call it as furniture. In the plural also, it remains as furniture. We picked up our bedroom furniture from the exhibition. From the exhibition. Alright. We picked up our bedroom furniture from the exhibition. Next, she gave me a 10 rupee note. She. At the place of she, third person we are speaking about. Here what will come? They. They gave me here. For me what will come? Us. For me what will come? Us. They gave us 10 rupee note. Plural of note is notes. Right correct spelling everyone? Right correct spelling? They gave us 10 rupee note. They gave us 10 rupee notes. Note will convert it into notes. At the place of she we have written they. At the place of me it is written us. Okay, plural of me is us. Next, I rang up to get information about the accident. I rang up. At the place of I, what will be there? We rang up. up. We rang up to get information. Right, correct spelling everyone. You can take help of the textbook words also if you cannot see properly any word. About the accident. About the accidents. See here. Which words we have converted into plural form? See. I will convert it into we. Remaining as it is. Rank up to get information. Information is a noun. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. But information, plural form of information is information only. Do not say informations. It's wrong. Okay? Furniture, information. These words remain as it is in the plural form also. Okay? Which are those words? Information, furniture. These words do not change in the plural form. It remains as it is. Information about the accident word is given in the textbook. So, plural form of accident is accidents. Okay, as we have to add to make a plural form of it. So, take a screenshot, children. Take a screenshot. Everyone, take a screenshot. If you have not completed, take a screenshot. It is appreciated if you are doing it along with me. Okay? Complete the exercise along with me. We rang up to get information about the accidents. Is it completed? Okay? I am considering that. Okay, fantastic. Very good. Some children are responding quickly. Very nice. So, those who have not completed, I will wait for 1 second for you to get a screenshot of this and complete it as soon as you complete the class, today's classes. Thank you all. Let's see. Page number 12 only. Next question. Next question of the same page. We have to convert nouns into form nouns from the following verbs. Verbs are given here. We have to convert those verbs into nouns. So how we can convert verbs into noun? By adding some letters at the end, we can convert verbs into nouns. Which words, which letters we have to add? T, I, O, N or I, O, N you can mention. T, I, O, N or I, O, N or what we can use? MENT. Okay, or we can use ENCE or ANCE or done. This way. We can add TION, ION, MENT, ENC or ANC at the end of the verb to convert that verb into noun. To convert that verb into noun. So let's check out which words fit, which letters will fit to which word, and then we will be getting its noun form. We will be getting the verb's noun form. Let's see. First word is refresh. First word is refresh. I will allow to you to write your answers in the chat box. Refresh. What word will be there? Noun. For refresh. What will be the noun for refresh? Refresh. What will be the noun? Yes, who answers quickly? Let's see. What we have to add from this to get a noun? Refreshment. So write this word refreshment first. Second word is tell. T-E-L-L. Tell. speeches, right? Speech competition on Independence Day, Republic Day, you give speeches, right? That is a speech. Okay, speech is a noun for speak verb. Exit, for exit, which words, which letters we can add to make a noun? Existence, E-N-C-E we can add. E-N-C-E. Fifth word is move. So movement. Move is a verb. Movement is a noun. So ment we added at the end to make a noun. Sixth number you see. Advice. So advice, what will be there? Noun form of advice. Advice. Believe. Its noun form is belief. What is it? Belief. Next, 8 number. Dismiss. D-I-S-M-I-S. Dismissal. By adding al also we can make. Okay, by adding al also we can convert verb into noun. Next, assist. Assistance. A-N-C-E. Assistance. A-N-C-E we have added, see here, to make a noun form. Next is predict. Prediction. T-I-O-N. Okay. So this way, all the verbs which are given in the textbook we have converted into noun by adding T-I-O-N, I-O-N, M-E-N-T, E-N-C, A-N-C or A-L. Okay. So you can take a screenshot. This way we have finished the poem exercise. Okay. Thank you all. Take a screenshot everybody. Now next question. Question number, the last question. Change the gender of the following nouns, that you do it by your own as a homework. Thank you all. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.